Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to show ruler in CorelDraw. Let me show you how. Sometimes when you are trying to work in CorelDraw and you find out that you cannot see your ruler in your CorelDraw workspace right here, both vertical and horizontal. So how you can show that type of ruler and then you continue to use your guide as far as CorelDraw is concerned. So what you want to do right there is to come to the top right here and navigate to view. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have rulers, or you press Alt plus Shift plus Half on your keyboard. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on rulers, all rulers is going to be appear in your CorelDraw, both vertical ruler and at the same time horizontal ruler. Everything is going to be here. You can drag ruler from vertical and at the same time you can drag ruler from horizontal in CorelDraw. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.